Hello, let's talk about screen sharing on Zoom. So I am in a Zoom meeting right now, but I'm not screen sharing. And before you get into Zoom or start class, the first thing you want to do is actually just open anything that you want to screen share. You want to have all of that ready to go before you start Zoom. So I have open in just my internet windows a PowerPoint for class, and I have a text document where I might take some notes or write example answers. So those are open, they're ready to start. And on Zoom, the first thing I'm going to do to screen share is come down to my toolbar and click on Share Screen. When I click on that, Zoom is going to ask me, what do you want to screen share? And I can choose and only share one thing. So I might say I only want to share Google Chrome, my internet window, and don't share anything else. And so if I click on that, things like I can't accidentally show students my email because I didn't pick that. I picked just Google Chrome. So that can be helpful, but it means if you want to change to something else, you have to stop the screen share and start over. For that reason, I recommend actually picking your screen. So the very first box should be your screen. I have two screens. But you want to click on that, and then Zoom is sharing everything you have open on your screen, and you don't have to start a new screen share to change programs or change windows. So I think that's easier. So you want to click on screen 2. Zoom will start screen sharing. And now I can open up my PowerPoint. I can click present, and Zoom is running screen share. I know that it's on because of this green box around the screen and because of this little green tab that says you are screen sharing. My toolbar, while I am screen sharing, it kind of goes away unless I move my mouse over it. So I can do things like mute, see my participants, open the chat, all of that's still here. I can annotate. There's a different video about that. And this red button is how I stop screen sharing. And now I'm back in Zoom. One other thing is just a reminder when you screen share a video, if you want them to be able to listen to it, when you pick the video, make sure you pick share computer sound, or else they will not be able to hear it. By default, Zoom is not running your audio because it's just one more thing to think about, so it doesn't do it. There's another way to screen share that I think can be really helpful, and that is I hit share screen and I come over here to advanced. And I'm going to click on portion of screen, which gives me a little box. When I click on that, instead of my entire screen, this little green box is the only thing that students can see. And the reason that I like this is because when I am using a PowerPoint, I can line this box up with my slide. From the student perspective, they see a full screen slide because they can only see what's inside this box. They can't see anything else. They don't know I'm in edit mode. And on their screen, this is big and easy to see because it's full screen. It's the whole box. But I am in edit mode, so I can click on my slide and I can type and I can change things. I can take notes. I can give example answers. And all of this is big and easy for students to see without me needing some fancy way to edit my PowerPoint slides live. I can just use this box on screen share. I can click in the corner, drag, and make it bigger or smaller. I can move it around my screen. So this is really helpful if you want to be able to type on your slides during class. So I'll close out of that. Those are two different ways to screen share on Zoom. I think they're both worth a try. So give them a shot. If you have any questions, shoot me an email.